Hi, dear users. We are Promptflow team. We are delighted to connect to you who are leveraging LLM capabilities to build your AI apps. Let me guess. Once you successfully develop a chain with Semantic Kernel, you may want to evaluate its performance and to go production. And this is when Promptflow starts to come in. First, I would like to give a brief introduction to Promptflow. It is a suite of development tools designed to streamline the end-to-end development cycle of LLM-based AI applications, from prototyping, testing, evaluation, to product deployment and monitoring. Now, let's have an overview of evaluation with Promptflow. For example, if you have made a math planner which can solve math problems, once you have a benchmark dataset, you can go to Promptflow, do a batch run, and get the output answer for all data samples. Besides, you can run an evaluation flow to score the results and aggregate them to get the metrics back like accuracy. So next, we will show you the demo on how to evaluate Semantic Kernel plugins and Planner and go production with Promptflow. With Promptflow VS Code extension, we have made a SK planner to a flow. Open this YAML file and click on the visual editor. You can see what it looks like. We define the input, output, and make the planner simply as a Python node. Let's go through the planner code. The planner is wrapped in a tool function. We set up the LLM API key by the custom connection class and initialize the kernel here. And we define some skills. And the sequential planner. When user input and ask, this planner will recognize the intent of the user and then output the result and executing steps. So let's back to the flow graph. See, we input and ask and select the LLM model for our SK planner to use. We expect the output of the planner. Then we select a custom connection. My input ask is, I want to surprise my wife for our anniversary, blah blah blah, please give me an idea. Now, click the button to run it. Yeah, it runs successfully. We can see the output here. SK Planner provide an idea for me. And we can see that there is only one step for this ask, because it just needs one skill. Alright, since we finished a single run, we can start to do batch run testing with larger data to find out the overall performance of my planner. We can click here to trigger the batch run. Choose the data file and do column mapping. Then click Run. After finish, we can click the output. Then you can view the result of all data samples. Or you can go to the left navigation bar, find your run in the batch run history, click Visualize to view all the details term by term. After we get the output of batch run, we can append an evaluation flow to test it. We write a node to calculate the fulfillment ratio with LLM for each data item. You can see my prompt. I describe the meaning of fulfillment ratio and feed it with the prediction answer and the original ask. Then we add an aggregating node to aggregate all the fulfillment ratios to get the overall matrix. Okay, now let's set up the evaluation run based on my previous batch run. Also do the column mapping. Then click Run. Finished. Then go to the navigation bar and you can see your run in the Run Against Run folder. Right-click and view the matrix. Right, the overall fulfillment is 85%. We can also click multiple runs and visualize to make comparison. That's the demo for how to evaluate your SK Planner with Promptflow. Furthermore, we have a cloud version for enterprise users in Azure. Promptflow in Azure provides you with a friendly UI and the whole developing experience to production. You can create new flows with template or clone a sample flow directly. Now we try to upload another flow, a SK Mass Planner from local. The flow is loading. Okay. Now let's set up the LLM API. Please note that you should also set up your connection in cloud. Then, for example, we try to do more evaluation. Select the benchmark data file, and you can preview the data here. Then, select the evaluation method. You can use both your custom evaluation flows or our built-in evaluation flows here. Oops, something wrong. Oh, I forgot to do the column mapping. Okay. Right, submit. Then we can view the batch run output and also the evaluation metrics. We can also choose multiple rounds to compare the metrics. And of course, you can export the result. After you get satisfied with the performance, you can go to the snapshot of the best round and deploy your flow to an endpoint. Set up something for the deployment. Submit. Then go to the Endpoint tab and you can see your endpoint now. You can test it with a simple question. Yeah, the answer is in the right. You can also get an endpoint link for your customers to consume with different consumption types. Also, you can do monitoring and see the logs. Okay, that's all. If you have any questions, please just raise your hand. Alex will help to collect your questions. Or you can just contact us to get support directly. Thank you for listening. And thanks, Alex. Bye.